In this next lecture, we'll be adding a table of contents. Let's go ahead and use our navigation window to go up here to our, well, we're already there on our header. Now we want to put the table of contents right here before chapter 1. So let's go ahead and enter table of contents. After all, the table of contents is a chapter in itself. Now we have a new chapter after that. Let's go here after table of contents, press enter to get our blank line here on the screen. And now we'll do an interesting thing. We'll say references, table of contents, and we'll pick the style of table of contents we want. Okay, what we want to do is go down to the very bottom and insert a table of contents and get more specific about what we want. For one thing, we do not want to show page numbers. There's no such thing as a page number on a Kindle, so let's get rid of that right away. That's actually the only modification that we need to make before we say OK. And here's our table of contents. Each of these items now link to a particular chapter in your novel, and because you've included a table of contents, the Kindle will display a table of contents when you go to pull that up from the main menu at the bottom of the screen. So that's another advantage to this. Now notice any time that you change the text of a chapter, the name of it, or you change, well, I don't know about its location. I don't think you need to change it for that. But if you change the text of a title, you definitely need to update your table of contents. And the way that you do that is you go to it, right-click, and it says Update Field here. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll update your table of contents to reflect the current contents of your document. So this is the way to insert a table of contents into your document before saving it, which is something I recommend that you do.